we're going to define this project scope, and we're going to say inside of here, I'm even just going to, add a couple of just things, say it's a wall, and then say it's a door. And then for these walls and doors at this milestone, I'm going to grab some information requirements from library, and I'm going to say, I want to say, where are the wall properties, and sort by this, and say wall. I want acoustic rating, fire rating, whether it's internal, external, load bearing, and then door. And I'm going to find the door comment. I'm going to say acoustic rating. I want to know whether it's fire exit, rating of file, whether internal, external, and then whether the self-closing and smoke stop. And so I've just added, let me sort them by the tag. I've just added walls and doors. So now I can say I'm going to add all of the door properties to the door, and all of the wall properties I'm going to add to the wall. And now we've got our set of requirements with all of our definition, and I'm just going to go and export this as a specification, create this. It's a specification here. I would probably just open it, make it a public URL, copy that URL and send it, and then you could download it and